Hi, welcome to Thoughts of Mr Seagull. I'm Bobby Seagul, a school maths teacher, presenter and author, helping you navigate through these difficult times. What you can find is sometimes we're more stressed and anxious about different things. A way to deal with it is to think about your breathing. My practical tip is to breathe in for 4, right to the bottom of your lungs, and think about the process. Hold it in for 2, and then breathe out for 5. Repeat this 5 times. And what you'll find is oxygen rushes into your body and helps calm you down. And repeat this process, as I said, 5 times. So don't forget, the tip for Mr. Seagull today is to keep breathing.